River State Park. It is winter time. Decided to rain. But we're back here. I didn't live too far away from here. Been here a fair amount of times cross country skiing when I lived around here. It's a pretty big park. Haven't been here in a while. Visitor center is actually pretty big in here, but it's kind of the main hub. So we're gonna take a little river trail and then come up the hiking trail, see what we see, but it's not gonna be as cool with all the rain going on. Here we go. Next. Once again, we went the wrong way. But we're all good because we have plenty of hiking to do. But we're on the Dry Creek Trail, possibly. And then we're gonna hook up with the river trail. But so far, lots of oaks and a ravine and a couple nice sitting benches. But we're gonna keep walking until we find our correct trail. There's where we actually are. Found the bridge. Who's pumped up for the prairie? We ended up on the Dry Creek Trail to the Dry Creek Loop Trail to the old military road, which was 3 miles on the loop trail to the old military road. It has these great views of the river. You can see it was all iced over then. There's actually quite a few eagles that were in this area. Check it out, we actually found the shelter. We definitely enjoyed all the sights along this part of the trail because you're by the river. You can see the eagles, ducks, a lot of wildlife and animals in this area. It looked like the river was open a little bit. There's some swans. As we walked along the trail, we did see a lot of signs of beaver. Finally, the hiking club trail. Here we go, we're finally connecting up with the hiking club trail. Just getting off Old Military Road, which was actually pretty sweet. When we got by the river, we got to see plenty of eagles, some swans, a couple ducks, and even a grouse, which was cool. All down by the river right there, which is a pretty sweet part of the trail. About the only animals we saw besides squirrels, a couple different birds, but of course down by the river it's open a little bit down there, so birds are taking advantage right now. But here we go, hiking club trail. Going. It's coming up after you. The river trail. You can see this campsite, Spring Creek campsite. You can pull your canoe out and stay at the state park, but you got a little bit of portage up the stairs. As we were making our way to Nevers Dam, you could see all these swans, and there was a whole ton of geese just sitting on the edge of the ice. And the old Nevers Dam has a good history as to what it is, because there's not much you can see there now of the old dam. So the signs explain quite a bit of what's going on. But pretty cool history, I thought, for the river. And this is just the picnic area of the carts they use to get logs down there. Picnic area had quite a few tables, quite a few spots, paved, had bathrooms and stuff. And that's Wild River State Park. You can see we're ending up here, paved trail. You can see
20,000 steps. Woo!
20,000 steps, Ashton says. Woo! You can see we went by those 2 campsites down there for people that are canoeing. You also got to portage your canoes up, but pretty cool. It's been a little while since I've been here. Fortunately, we're on the paved trail at the end, but we went quite a while today, in about 3 hours. Got to see a pretty good amount of wildlife. Didn't really see any playgrounds or anything, but not like some of the more modern parks that we got, but we had a good little day. Perfect place, not too many people out here today. Saw lots of wildlife. So we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.